Girls, that's a lot of racket in there. Do you need my help?
No!
I love my sisters, but I can't stand their meddling. We got together to make Mama a special dinner to celebrate her birthday.
Abby, you were supposed to bring the greens.
I did. But apparently not the ones you wanted me to bring.
They do look good though.
Yeah, not like those from McGaw's stand down on South Street.
I got them fresh out of the garden. But what's wrong with the ones from McGaw's? He's a very nice man selling good-looking vegetables at fair prices.
So, he's a very nice man with good-looking vegetables? Well, only if you like old vegetables he tries to pass off as fresh.
There's definitely something good looking and fresh at his stand, and it's not the vegetables.
You all leave Abby alone. She brought the greens for Mama to enjoy, not for you to speculate about her level of interest in that man.
Wait, is Abby courting McGaw?
Who said anything about courting? All I said was he was nice and...
Wait till Papa hears about that. You'll get an earful about good matches and bad ones, and...
How to know the difference. The only good match in Papa's mind is a man who runs his own business. One that Papa can invest in or profit from. That's Jacob Frick. He makes your business, his business, the family business.
A bad match is anybody else.
Lulu, you're just mad because Papa put the kibosh on any designs you had on.
I never thought about that, but Mel's right. She married William Dexter Tyler, the grain merchant that Papa partnered in business with, and I married Frederick Imgard, the merchant tailor that rents rooms in Papa's building. Cora married John Milton Criley, the Wayne County National Bank's head cashier, where Papa is president and John keeps track of all his money. If Abby drops any notions of the vegetable man and accepts the attentions of William Routson, maybe Papa can add a pottery to his businesses.
Stop it. You all know Will never had anything to do with his father's pottery. He loves the railroad job he has. He'll probably work there the rest of his life.
It's Will, now is it? That's okay, Papa is gonna like him. Railroads and all the connections that's going to give him, business-wise.
Now all we need to do is get Lulu fixed up with the right sort of man.
Yeah, we don't want Lulu ending up like our half-sister Isadore, who married Arch Mugru. His newsstand business went bust along with their marriage.
Maybe a man in the real estate business? Papa does not have one of those. Maybe there's a Quimby boy that's not attached.
First things first, we've got to get Lulu gussied up before we can fix her up right, in the Frick style.
Maybe if we change her hair or a new hat.
Definitely, we'll need a new hat.
Wait, what's wrong with my hat?
Nothing a good frickin' arrangement can't fix.